Whoa, look at this Chevelle. It's a real Super Sport 64 Chevelle. It's got a hot motor under the hood, all chromed out, air conditioned, 4-speed, custom suspension. Let's not waste another minute. Let's take it for a spin. Go to volocars.com. You'll see all the specs, the pricing on this car. You'll see a few hundred other collector cars for sale as well. But just look at this thing. Again, real Super Sport. It's in the VIN number. It's just a gorgeous red car. It's got a great stance, been lowered 1 inch at all 4 corners. Nice custom wheels. You might have caught a glimpse. There's all custom brake system with drilled and slotted rotors under there. All Hotchkiss suspension up front. It's got big fat tubular control arms. In back, it's all Hotchkiss upper and lower control arms, sway bar. It's got a 9-inch rear end with a 390 posi. So the underneath this car is great. This thing handles like a slot car. Really a lot of fun to drive. Interior is brand new. I mean, just done. And the car comes with all these receipts, all good documentation as to what's been done to it. But beautiful interior, the custom seats, door panels, it's all just been redone. You better put on your sunglasses when I open the hood on this thing. It's a 383 stroker with 490 horsepower on the dyno. See, it's all chromed out and polished aluminum, the brackets, the pulleys. It's got 2 Edelbrock dual quads on there. It's got billet hinges, polished aluminum AC compressor. It's decked out. Show quality under here, electric fan, power brake boosters, chrome, MSD ignition. So lots of good stuff happening under there. I don't know if I mentioned it's an M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed that was completely rebuilt. It's got a heavy-duty bell housing on there. Obviously tinted glass. Door jambs are nice. So just a good-looking car and a lot of fun to drive. Man, pounding through them four gears with that engine, and you have the air on while you're doing it. Trunk compartment's real nice. It's all boxed and upholstered and carpeted. It's got some mirrors underneath here. It's all painted slick. Nice rubber. Comes with some floor mats. So let's fire this thing up. If you like what you see so far, you're going to love how it sounds. These seats are more than just good looking. They're comfy too. If I can get the right key. And move this seat forward. Oh, that's nice. It's got a stereo system with 4 speakers. And that right there, that's my music. Got padded dash. Suede headliner. There's suede in the seats. It's got vintage air heater controls. Motor runs smooth like it should be. That makes a nice sound coming out the tailpipe. Sounds great. That is awesome. This is a show and go car. It's going to turn heads. It's going to snap necks. So up in the top right corner, you can click on that. It takes you to our website. You can see this car and all the specs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're about to post a whole bunch of really cool cars like this one. And contact us, sales@volocars.com. If you have any questions, we can help with the financing, shipping, answer all your questions. We'll help you buy the car of your dreams. Thanks for watching.